गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम अपने नए वीडियो में आपको सेकेंड मेथड पढ़ाएंगे वैल्यूएशन ऑफ गुडविल का, जो कि मैंने एक वीडियो में बताया था। पहले वीडियो में बताया था आपको कि वी हैव थ्री मेथड्स टू कैलकुलेट गुडविल। फर्स्ट वन बाय एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड, सेकंड वन इज सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड एंड थर्ड वन इज द कैपिटलाइजेशन, राइट। टुडे वी विल स्टडी super profit method and capitalization of super profit method. Capitalization method में we have two sub methods. One is the capitalization by super profit method and one is your capitalization by average profit method, right? आज हम लोग पहले स्टडी करेंगे सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड को स्टडी करेंगे और इसके थ्रू गुडविल निकालने के लिए हमें 4 स्टेप्स को याद रखना पड़ेगा। सबसे पहले हम करेंगे फर्स्ट स्टेप को यूज करेंगे। फर्स्ट स्टेप फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे हम लोग, एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ प्रॉफिट अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, राइट। देन वी विल फाइंड आउट स्टेप, वी विल टेक स्टेप 2 एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट। नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, राइट। स्टेप नंबर 3, in this method we will use super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. In third one we will use, in fourth one step we will use goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchases or purchasing year. Clear? The first one, average profit is equal to sum of profit upon number of years. Same method we applied in your average profit method. We have applied in average profit method. Second we will take out normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर अराइज होता है कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड। कैपिटल अमाउंट एम्प्लॉयड, दैट मीन्स दैट अमाउंट इन्वेस्टेड और यूज्ड बाय द फर्म टू अर्न प्रॉफिट और टू कैलकुलेट प्रॉफिट और टू अर्न प्रॉफिट, राइट ना। स्टेप नंबर 3, सुपर प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट। जब हम लोग एवरेज प्रॉफिट में से नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट को माइनस कर देंगे, जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा वो हमारा सुपर प्रॉफिट कहलाएगा। स्टेप 4 में गुडविल इज इक्वल टू सुपर प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ परचेजिंग ईयर्स और नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेजेस। यही फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज करते थे फर्स्ट मेथड, एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड में हम लोग यूज करते थे गुडविल इज इक्वल टू एवरेज प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ परचेजिंग ईयर और नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेजेस। यहाँ पर सुपर प्रॉफिट के एवरेज प्रॉफिट की जगह हम लोग यहाँ पर सुपर प्रॉफिट को यूज करेंगे, राइट। ये 4 स्टेप्स हमें यूज करने हैं। We will use 4 steps. Step number 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4th you will get goodwill, right? Now to find out goodwill by super profit method, we will use or we will take example. Example is your now the first thing, average profit is given in the question 70,000 rupees. There is no need to use the formula. Average profit is equal to sum of profits upon number of years. That is given in the question. There is no use to use step 1. That means we will not use the formula. Average profit is equal to sum of profits upon number of years, right? Now second point, capital employed amount is given 5 lakh rupees and the normal rate of return is 10%. Capital employed is 5 lakh. Normal rate of return is 10%. We will, to find out normal profit, we will take the step number 2. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. We will take out 5 lakh into 10%. That will be 50,000 rupees. Now the third one information is your number of year purchases is 3 years, right? Now to find out goodwill, we will use the formula goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchasing years. Now this is the information for your question. Now we will go for the solution, right? Now we will use step number 1, that is given in the question, that is 70,000 rupees. Average profit is equal to 70,000. There is no need to use the formula. Now we have to find out what normal profit, that will be normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. We will write the formula. Normal profit is equal to, this is the amount of your capital employed, we will write over here, and into 10%, that will be, now answer is your 50,000 rupees, right? Now this is the step number 1, this is step number 2, this is step number 3. In third step we have to find out super profit. For the super profit you will use the formula super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Super profit, average profit is 70,000 rupees, that is given in the question, minus normal profit you have find out it right now, that is 50,000 rupees, and the difference of these two will be 20,000 rupees. Whatever you have received as answer, that is super profit. Now this is your first step, this is your second step, this is your third step. Now in fourth step you have to find out goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchases. we will have used the formula. Goodwill is equal to 2 lakh into 3, 20,000 into 3, sorry, 20,000 into 3, it will be 60,000 rupees. We will take 3 from this information. Number of year purchases is equal to 3 years. Right now, clear? We, again now I am clear, and now I am telling you, we will use the first step, we will use second step, we will use third step. When you will use fourth step, then you will get your answer. That will be called goodwill. Again मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, in question average profit is 70,000 rupees, capital employed is 5 lakh rupees, normal rate of return is 10%, number of year purchases is 3 years. Right now, firstly we have to find out, सबसे पहले क्या निकालना है, हमें निकालना है average profits. that उसका formula क्या है, sum of profits upon number of years. यहाँ पर average profit already given, so we will take 70,000. हमें यहाँ पर इसकी जरूरत यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ क्वेश्चन में दिया 70,000 में लिख लिया. Second step, normal profit is equal to normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed यहाँ पर given है 5 lakh rupees. We will take out 10% of 5 lakh, that will be 50,000 rupees. Now we will take the third number step. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Super profit is equal to average profit, that is 70,000 rupees in the question. We will write, we will copy it over here, and we will take 50,000 rupees, that is your normal profit amount. Right, the difference of these two will be 20,000 rupees, and we have to find out goodwill. According to this step 4 is the formula to find out goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchases. Now this is your super profit, that is 20,000 rupees, and year purchases is 3. That means what total will be your multiplication answer will be your 60,000 rupees. It is your goodwill. Right now this is the way to use your super profit method. Right now, come to the question number, formula number 2. That is, this is the formula capitalization by super profit. मैंने बताया था आपको कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड भी एक मेथड है to find goodwill. वहाँ पर दो methods के सब methods हैं. One is your capitalization by super profit, one is your capitalization by average profit method. यहाँ पर भी similarly we have 4 steps to find out goodwill. When you will use capitalization by super profit, step 1 is equal to average profit is equal to sum of profits upon number of years. That is similar. Same formula we are using in the super profit method. Same we are using in the what capitalization by super profit method. Step number 1 in both the cases same. Second step is your, we have to find out normal profit. Same the formula we have to use. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return, NRR. That means short form of your normal rate of return upon 100. Right now, third step will be again same. Third step says super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit, and then fourth step there is little bit change. In step 4, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Clear? In common thing is in both the methods, the common thing is what? Step 1, step 2 and step 3 is same. We have to what? Write a new formula in step number 4, that is goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Now we will take the example. Question is same. Now again we are taking same question. Related to find out goodwill by this capitalization by super profit method. That is again the average profit is was 70,000 rupees, right? Capital employed is 5 lakh and the normal rate return is 10%. According to that, then our normal profit is equal to 50,000 rupees. Now right now and we will use the formula to find out super profit. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20,000 rupees. That means according to the rule, according to system, right, when you will use the step number 1, what average profit will be 70,000 rupees. When we use the second formula, what the NP is equal to your normal profit is equal to 50,000 rupees. We will use step number 3, goodwill as super profit is equal to 20,000 rupees. Right now, there is a little bit change in the fourth formula, step number 4. Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. We will write the super profit into 100 upon 10. Why we will writing over here 10? Because the normal rate of return is 10%. But what we will use only 10. Right now 100 upon 10, we will what cancel 0 minus 0, and what 220,000 10 is equal to 2 lakh. The difference between these two methods is what? According to super profit method, right now when we are applying super profit method, in that case the goodwill is 60,000 rupees. But when we are using what capitalization method, the capitalization by super profit, in that condition we are getting the amount that is 2 lakh rupees as goodwill. Right? This is the difference between these two formulas, right now the question is same, but according to the super profit method, the goodwill is 60,000 rupees, and according to the capitalization by super profit, it is what, 2 lakh rupees, right? Again, now this it was a very easy question. It was a very easy question. We will do one more question. We will do one more question. We will do one more question, right? We will do one more question, that is right now. Okay, now you have to copy the question. You have to copy the question. I am telling you the question, right? According to the question. Now take out your copies and books and pen. Sorry, take out your copy and pen. I am giving you one more question. Then we will solve that question according to your super profit method, right? I am dictating the question. You have to copy it. You have to write, right? Take out your pen and copies. I am giving you what question, a new question, right? Now, according to the question, a firm earned net profits during the last 3 years. A firm earned net profits during the last 3 years were as follows. In first year, 18,000 rupees. In second year, 20,000 rupees. In third year, 22,000 rupees. Again, you have to check. In first year, profit is 18,000. In second year, profit is 20,000 rupees. In third year, profit is 22,000 rupees. Now, from new line, you have to write the capital investment of the firm is 60,000 rupees. The capital investment of the firm is 60,000 rupees. Capital investment, that means capital employed, is 60,000 rupees. Normal return on the capital is 10%. Normal return on the capital is 10%. Calculate value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchases. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchases of average super profit of the average super profit for last 3 years. For last 3 years, right? Now we will check. Now in this question, last 3 years profits are given. So that means in step number 1, we will take out average profit firstly. Now the average profit is equal to sum of profits. That means first year 18,000 rupees. Second year the amount is your 20,000 rupees. In third year the amount is 22,000 rupees. Now the profits are given for 3 months. So we will write what 3. Right now we will divide it by 3. That the total of these 3 will be, it will be now 20, 40 and 60,000 rupees. 60,000 divided by 3 is equal to, now it will be 20,000 rupees. The average profit is 20,000 rupees. Now we have to find out, step number 2, we have to take out what? We have to find out normal profit. The formula is normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. We have to find a normal profit. Now according to the question, capital employed amount is, capital invested amount, capital employed amount is 60,000 rupees, and the normal rate of return is 10%. Right now it was 10%, no? Yes. Now the answer is 6,000 rupees. It is your normal profit. Now you have to find out what it is called. It is called super profit. We will use third method, third step. Super profit is equal to AP minus NP. The AP means average profit, and what NP means normal profit. Right? It is normal profit. Right now, it is normal profit. Right? We will take average profit, that is 20,000 rupees. 20,000 minus 6,000 rupees is equal to 14,000 rupees. Clear? Now we will use fourth step. In fourth step, it was your first step, it was your second step, it is your third step. Now to find out goodwill, we will use this step number 4. In step number 4, the question says, formula says goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchasing years, and according to the question, the years purchases was 3. So we will get the answer 14 3 42,000. According to the super profit method, what the goodwill is your 42,000. If you are using same question as per your, that is called capitalization by super profit, then what? The step number 1 will be same. Step number 1. Now step number 1 same. Average profit will be against what? 20,000 rupees. We will use or we will apply the same formula. What we will use? Average profit is equal to sum of profits upon number of years. If use करेंगे, we will get answer 20,000 rupees. Normal profit will be same. Right or wrong? Normal profit will be same. We will use the formula capital employed into normal rate of return. If you will use the formula, you will get answer 6,000 rupees. Right or wrong? Right now, confirm. We will use now super profit. Super profit is equal to AP minus NP. That means what? 20,000 minus 6,000. It will be now what? 14,000 rupees. But in fourth step, when you will find out goodwill according to your capitalization super profit method, and the formula will be a little bit different here. A little bit different. That will be goodwill is equal to super profit, that is 14,000 into 100 upon normal rate of return. That was 10%. That was 10. We will write over here 10. 10 cancel, and the answer will be your 1,40,000 rupees. Right? It was your answer. There is great difference between these two formulas. According to super profit method, and the figures were same, but the word goodwill was 42,000. That was the goodwill of firm. But according to your capitalization by super profit, goodwill is your 1,40,000 rupees. Right? क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर अराइज होता है कि इफ अगर क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड गिवन है, that will be right and good for you. अगर कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड नहीं गिवन है तो हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट इट, राइट ना? ये मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगा. ठीक है, तो तब तक के लिए ठीक है, थैंक यू. और आप इस वीडियो को देख करके कुछ सीखिए और समझिए. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.